Hi, my name is Valerie. I'm the mobile service coordinator here at Viva Ford. I am in charge of setting up appointments for my mobile technicians to head over to your location. The services we provide is oil changes, recalls. We do battery replacements, filter replacements. We make it very convenient. We go over to your location. If you do want to make an appointment, you can go online, make an appointment on the Ford app, or you can call at 915-834-2945, and I'll go ahead and help you out with all your service needs.
This is our Viva Ford Mobile Service van. All the necessary tools here to take care of you.
Our mobile service is very convenient for our customers, people who will do work during the day. We go over to your jobs. We do the repairs there at home or at your job as well. We do set up appointments through phone. You can call me at 915-834-2945, or you can go online to the Ford app and you can set up your appointment online. I do get notified with the appointments and I'll go ahead and give you a call.
Because Viva makes it happen.